Hello friends, I'm Neema and I welcome you all to my kitchen. Today I'm here with a recipe of Dal Makhani. So guys, if you love to have Dal Makhani at home with the restaurant style touch, then I'm sure you will enjoy watching this video. So let's get started. For this Dal Makhani, we need around half cup of black urad dal and quarter cup of rajma, which has been soaked for 8 hours or overnight. See, now it's time to wash and strain and then I'll come back. Now into this pressure cooker, let's add in our drained dal. And for good flavor and aroma, I'm going to add 1 bay leaf, 1 cinnamon stick, 1 black cardamom and 4 cloves, along with a pinch of salt for taste, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and 2 cups of water. Mix it well. Cover and cook it on a medium flame for 3 to 4 whistles. If not done, then keep it back again by adding more water until it is cooked very well. It's cooked very well. Let's transfer it to a bowl. Next is to make the tadka. So, to a hot pan, I am going to add in 1 tablespoon of ghee or clarified butter. Then drop in 1 chopped onion and saute it till it changes its color. The color looks good to me. Now into this I am going to add in 8 to 10 chopped garlic, 1-inch piece of ginger chopped, 2 green chilli chopped. Combine well. Into this, I am going to add in 2 to 3 chopped tomato puree. Combine well. And then goes in quarter to half teaspoon of red chili powder. Here I am using Kashmiri chili, but if you want, you can use any other chili. Keep stirring till the oil is separated. I'm just going to add a pinch more of salt. Our tomatoes are ready. Now let's add a little bit of hot water, say around 1 cup. And then goes in our dal. Combine well. and leave it there to cook for 10 minutes. See, our dal is ready. Now for the final touching, I am going to add in 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of cumin powder and half teaspoon of garam masala. Here I am using Neema's garam masala, but you can use any garam masala. Combine well. And bring to a boil. Let's turn off the flame and leave it aside. Now to a small pan add butter. It's a must as we are making Dal Makhani. Just heat it up. Now into this I am going to add in 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder. Mix it well and pour it onto our dal. Combine well. And finally add in few chopped coriander leaves and 2 to 3 tablespoons of fresh cream. Mix it well. Yeah, it's good and your Dal Makhani is ready to plate. So here it is, our Dal Makhani, rich, creamy, flavorful and mild spicy. Tastes almost same as restaurant. Hope you will give it a try. Same time, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Till then, stay tuned.